Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So in the course of this video, we're going to look at the Bitcoin chart for today, because it seems to have been going sideways a lot lately. What do we expect from Bitcoin today? Are we hitting 60k straight up and continuing? Are we hitting and testing a correction, or are we going to hit a major support? So without wasting much time, let's dive in. All right. So when we take a look at the 15-minute charts here, yeah, that's like an hour ago. Bitcoin has been pumping hard from 57,500. We went straight up to 59, almost 500. So, and that has been a psychological barrier for it for a while now, like breaking that 60k barrier. It seemed to have surpassed the 58k barrier. It went straight to 59k, and pretty much doing well, but definitely it's due for a little red dot. Hopefully we don't go below 59k within the next 2 hours, but if we do, then of course we expect it to diverge a little more before it continues probably its upward trend from there. Now let's take a look at the 30 minutes charts, because it's going to show us a lot here. Now lately we could call this a W pattern, but to me it's more like it's testing the resistance, and from here we can see it's definitely an upward high. You can see the high levels are upwards from here to 57, then now we're testing the 59k support level. So it's definitely showing a bullish trend that it will hit 60k hopefully over the weekend. But then now this is the support I've been talking about. You can see it's once touched that 59k level, but it couldn't sustain. But then I expect it to have a little correction here, hopefully not too much. But are we going to see 60k? I believe 60k is gonna happen before Tuesday, because there is nothing holding us back from hitting say 60k. Now a lot has happened over the month of April. Trades were closed and a whole lot, and the price dumped, but then we're definitely gonna see 60k. But that's notwithstanding, that has to be with a little correction. And weekends has never really been a good trading time in general, but we're expecting it to hopefully break that barrier, although it's correcting a little from 59,400 to 59,160. But it's normal, it's a normal thing, and I expect it to still drop to 58k, but then it's inevitable. Hopefully before, within the next 2 hours, I think we should test 60k. Are we gonna stay up there throughout the course of the weekend? I doubt. So I doubt if we're going to stay above 60k come Sunday and on Monday morning. But then definitely next week we are closing next week above 60k, right? Because we've done that. It's actually happened here. This is the all-time high, but a lot happened within this time. There was a lot of news about US government taxing cryptocurrencies, and that's after that there was a plunge. First of all, Turkish government banned cryptocurrency, and it was trying to stabilize. US government brought up a new rule about Bitcoin taxing, like high tax on high yield earners, which is basically targeted at crypto traders and exchanges. So it caused a major dump here, which went from 64k to 46k. Yeah. And a lot happened then. A lot of people were liquidated, a lot lost their money and all sorts of things. But then we've bounced back up from then within a space of say 7-8 days, or 7 to 10 days, to 59k. Now we are hoping to test the 60k level again, You know, a lot of people, 60K is actually a tricky number because a lot of people are circulating around the 59K trying to like sell, you know. So I expect a high sell volume around the 59K if they don't cancel. So it's gonna test around that 59K level before, you know, it shoots up. And once it shoots up, I expect Bitcoin for the month of May to close around 70K, around the 70K region, if not higher. You know, let's see how it goes. Now remember guys, a lot is happening in Tatcoin, like I keep saying. You know, okay, in CoinGecko, Bitcoin actually is, it's the market cap is quite looking good. It's gradually increasing, but then Ethereum, it's Ethereum could catch up, could in the long run, but that's not what we're here for. A lot is happening around Dogecoin, so remember to stake in by 4 a.m. Eastern time to hear about Saturday Night Live. You know, sorry, 11:30 p.m. Eastern time for Saturday Night Live with Elon Musk, to know really, I call it to know the future of Dogecoin. Though that's not what we're here for, but let's keep to the channel, hit the subscribe button so that by that time you can all go through Dogecoin to know what where we are headed, because it's either it booms past this level, definitely it's going to flip Binance Coin, but then where is it heading to? The fate will be decided, I believe, by 11 p.m. Eastern time. So let's stick in and hit the subscribe button so that you get a notification by then